Hello, today I'd like to show you our NVH analyzer software derivat for monitoring purpose. So for permanent observation of any bearings or machine vibrations like pumps and generators. So the very specific topic here is that beside the typical vibration pickup using IEPE based accelerometer, in this case I have here now a 3-axis accelerometer, we analyze also the datas per revolution. So means we can make here order tracking analysis. So I have here a laser pickup, a laser tachometer. I move this now here a little bit, and you see that here is a reflection mark. So just a white paint on this part. So here you see the NVH monitor software, so NVH-MON. Here if I go to data acquisition, we have here a Roger DAQ2 unit with 10 volt range input on channel number 1, and the second channel is 30 volt range input, because some tachometers at machines they deliver 24 volt. So for this purpose we have here a special version of the Roger DAQ2 with 30 volt range input. So here I have the physical unit, so its acceleration and the sensitivity of the IEPE sensor. So here we have the IEPE supply active. For this channel we don't need it, but for this we need it. So okay. So next we can set up here some analysis, but for the monitoring purpose this is no need so far. So it takes a while. So now I just start the machine and start here the measurement. So now we can see how the data is coming here from the vibration sensor. So for example, if we want to check kind of quick view, I can check here if the signal is coming. Okay, sensor is working. On channel number 2 I have here the RPM, which I can see here. So this is just for test purpose, but for normal measurement we can set up here things like first order, second order we want to see. So here we can adjust the 3-shot levels or alarming levels according to the machine which you have. Here we can define the recording time, so that the data will be stored, for example, all 30 seconds to a text file. So it's an automatic storage. Also the FFT spectrum and the order spectra will be stored. So this you can send to a local hard drive or to the cloud somewhere. So now let's run the measurement. So now we can see how the data is coming here. I will arrange it like this, so it looks better. So, and here in this directory we will see now that our data are coming. So this data is now available here. If I put it into the Excel, so then we see here all datas at this time with this timestamp. So, and now we can record the datas all the time and observe the behavior of your generator or machine. So here we can change the view to each channel. For example, here the acceleration was time. And of course, we can see here also the crest factor. So over the time. So this is a very good solution if you want to get more informations about your machine, especially with two channels. So means on channel number 1 we have the housing vibration of the generator or the bearing vibration and the RPM information from the machine. So now I can stop the measurement. And yeah, thank you very much for your attention, and I wish you a pleasant time.